Hey, this is Michael Della Cruz from succeedwithmichael.com. In this video, I'm going to share with you a squeeze page tutorial where I'm going to show you how to create unlimited landing pages using our WordPress blog. Don't go anywhere, stay tuned. So let's get started. So let me tell you a little bit about myself. When I started my journey on making money online, working from home, being my own boss, and really, changing my life. When I decided to change my life at a point that I was really, burnt out on the corporate world, I actually went online. I went to Google to look for ways to really make money online, to really work from home, to really change my life and be able to be there for my loved ones, be able to be there for my wife, right? So I went online and I Googled for ways that I can do that, to make money online or earn money online, work from home. I saw a lot of people doing that. And what happened is that I stumbled upon a landing page, a squeeze page, and before I continue, I want to really clarify what a squeeze page is. It's also called a capture page, landing page. There's just different opt-in page. It's that page that's offering you something and is actually asking for your name or email or both, and in order for you to get the information that you're looking for, right? And let me illustrate you why is it important. Now, as I told you, I went online and I found a way, I found this offer of how to earn money online, how to make money online, because I really was looking for change. I was looking to really, be my own boss, really take control of my life, and ultimately I found it, right? So, but it started with that landing page, right? I found a landing page, and I entered my name and email, and then after I did that, I was guided to a video. So let me illustrate you here how it works. So I was illustrated to this video. So this right here is traffic, right? This is traffic. This is people, visitors, people searching for a solution to their problem. So that was me at one point. I was actually searching for solutions to my problem, which I really wanted to, be there for my loved ones. I really wanted to take control of my life. So I was on Google. I was part of this traffic here, so I was on Google searching for solutions, and then I landed in this thing called a capture page, which is to capture leads, or to, asking for people information in exchange of the information that I'm looking for, right? So it's like the opposite of giving a business card. Instead of me handing somebody a business card, that person is telling me to contact them, right? Is actually giving me permission to contact them. So to make long story, short, so I entered my name and email there, and then I was guided to the solution, to the presentation, to a sales video, to a video that really gave me the solution and offered me how can I make my, my dreams come true. It gave me the platform, the solution for me to earn money online, okay? But guess what? In the middle of the video, I actually got a phone call, and I closed my browser, right? I closed my browser, and then when I wanted to come back to it to finish watching the video to learn more about the solution, I did not know where the heck that video went, right? I was like, shoot, what happened to the information that I was looking for? And it was then that I realized, man, I lost the opportunity, and it's, I didn't. I really love what I was seeing. I saw that the solution that it was being shown to me was legit. There were, real people that really led from the heart, people that were there to really help you change your life. So I felt like my life was going to change, and which it did, if I actually got my hands on that solution, right? But because I got the phone call, I did not have time to watch the whole video presentation, and therefore I missed out on that. Okay, so let me show you how this connects. So because I actually entered my name and email before I got to the solution, guess what? The people that were offering that solution were able to really follow up with me through email. So then I went to my email and I saw a notification, welcome Thank you for opting in. Here's the information you just lost. And I was like, oh, thank God I didn't lose that. So I went back to the video and watched it, and then I actually joined the program, and that's where I learned everything about earning money online was through that program. And ever since, I haven't looked back. I've been teaching people the same formula here, that actually was taught to me by by mentors, right? And this is what I found. This is what I found. So I got traffic. I learned about that you need a landing page, a capture page, a squeeze page, which I'm gonna give you a tutorial in a bit, and then I give the person the solution, right, an offer. That's something that can change their life. This is like the gift, right? And at the same time, in exchange of me helping people change their lives, then it changes my lives because I make commissions with it, right? I make income back because I'm actually presenting the solution to many people that are already looking for it, right? So again, I was looking for making money online, which I was part of the traffic. Then I was in the landing page. Then I got offered the solution, and but at the middle of that solution, I didn't, just didn't finish the whole video. I got a phone call. Got distracted. We got ADD. We're online, right? On the internet, we're distracted by Facebook. We're distracted by so many things. Maybe you have kids that distract you, so you don't have time to watch something at a time. So that's why it's important to send people to a landing page. That way, to a landing page that asks for name and email. That way, you can follow up in case they didn't have time to watch the solution here, what they were already looking for. So when I enter my name and email, I was also added to an autoresponder that just pretty much, gave them permission to follow up with me through email. That's what an autoresponder does. It just follows up with people through an email, and this could be automated. Okay, so hope you got the picture there of why it's so important to create. Kind of got a little off track here. Why it's so important to really create squeeze pages, right? A squeeze page. So let me go ahead and get to the tutorial now that you know a little bit about my story and why I started this journey. It's an unbelievable journey, let me tell you. I'm able to help people. I'm able to be here with my wife from the comfort of my home or from anywhere in the world, right? And if you really want to know what's my number one recommendation, I'll leave a link below. Just click that link, enter the details, and watch the video like I'm showing you here. Watch the presentation, and if you believe it's a good fit for you, get started. You don't have to buy anything if you don't want to, but this is my gift to you, right? So I'm just showing you here how you can create a squeeze page in case you already have a business or you're just trying to learn what's the formula for earning money online. Or what's the formula for really succeeding on the internet, right? So it all starts with that squeeze page because we got ADD, we get distracted easily. Something might come up. We need to watch that presentation, which offers a solution. If people don't have time to watch that, then they're gonna miss out on that opportunity. So that's why it's very important you follow up with people. Okay, so let me go ahead and get straight to the point of this video, and hope you're already getting so much value from it. So if you want to create to create a squeeze page using a WordPress blog, let me go ahead and go to my blog very quick. So I'm on my blog here, and I have this plugin called Thrive Architect, and it's a plugin that you can get access to by going to their website. It's called thrivethemes.com/architect. And that's gonna, it's gonna give you this page here that is gonna load in a bit. And once you get to that page, you just pretty much just wanna, you wanna scroll down, you wanna learn about it, you wanna watch the video, if you need to, and basically you just wanna get that, get that plugin. Once you get that plugin, then you're going to download it. It's gonna give you instructions, super easy. Once you purchase the plugin, it's gonna give you instructions to download into your computer, and then upload it to your blog. So once you get that download into your computer, then to upload it, you want to go here where I'm pointing, where it says plugins, and you want to go to where it says add new, add new plugin, right? I already have mine installed, right? So this is the first step. So download the plugin. It's called Thrive Architect. So go to thrivethemes.com/architect and just get the plugin for it. And then what you do, you want to go here on the top where it says upload plugin, right? So let me show you very quick. So you're going to choose a file, right? And if you need to replay this video, you go ahead and do that. But you want to upload a file. And then you want to find, right here, let me show you. You want to find the Thrive Architect. You see right here I have Thrive Product Manager, right? That's one of the plugins in there. And let me keep going here so I can show you super simple stuff. So where it says Thrive Product Manager, you upload that. So it's gonna have another plugin called Thrive Architect, but you can actually get this Thrive Product Manager here uploaded to your WordPress blog, and then since you already purchased the Thrive Architect, you can actually install it from there. Let me show you what it looks like. So once I get that product manager up there, right, you want to go to product manager here. You see I already have Thrive dashboard, etc., but you got a product manager here, and it's going to really pretty much list all the products that you own, right? It's going to list all the products that you own. And let me show you. So once you get this Thrive Product Manager uploaded and you're logged into your account, what you want to do, you want to, it says here, you want to select the product that you want to install, and you can install it from there. So, okay, so that's it. So once you get that installed on your WordPress blog, super simple, right? So go to Thrive Architect or Thrive Themes, thrivethemes.com/architect. Get the product, right? Get the product. Then once you log in, you're going to download the plugins called Product Manager, right? That's the plugin, the name of the plugin. So once you upload that plugin to WordPress, then you can go in there and you can install the Thrive Architect from there, like how you can see here, okay? And then you can activate any of these if you need to, but basically that's the simplest way that you can actually install this. Okay, so once you get that installed, then what you want to do to create a squeeze page, you want to go to where it says you want to actually create a page, right? That's the first thing. You create a page. So you're gonna just go to pages and do like you were gonna create a new page. Okay, so let me name this page ways to earn income, right? That's just if I want to show people how to earn income, right? Which this is what I primarily do. This is what I show people how to do, how to earn income online, or how to build a profitable online business, and a little bit of personal development, because it takes a mindset for you to be successful as this. So once I name it, then I want to save as a draft, right? I want to save that as a draft. And once I save that as a draft, then you're going to see, since you have the Thrive Architect plugin already installed, you want to go ahead and go to Launch Thrive Architect. So I title the page, then I save the draft, then I click on that green button that you saw, and it's gonna open the Thrive Architect, page builder, right? This is the beautiful thing about this thing, and the thing is that they have different prices for this. Like they have a price option that you can pay monthly subscription, and you get access to all the products. They have access to one-time payments, depending how many licenses you wanna own. And I did the one-time payment thing because I can create as many pages as I like, and I don't have to pay monthly subscriptions for, I can do this, I can do everything, and I can build any landing page I want by using this. You might be a person that like ClickFunnels, and that's cool too, but if you're looking for more, pocket friendly, these pages, they work great. Okay, so initially when you load the page builder, it's gonna load your home, whatever your the blog home page looks like. So what you want to do, you want to go here where you see that cloud with the arrow that says change template. All right, and you just pretty much you want to pick a template, whatever whatever you want. You can start from blank, from scratch, or maybe you're into fitness and health and fitness. You can go and use that template. Let me go here below. There's some other ones that you can use, like mini squeeze. Right here, let's use this one. And I'm gonna click on this one right here. There's one that has a video, there's one that has like a book. There's just different one for, this is for lead generation. Again, lead generation is important. It's actually the main it's kind of like the main source, not kind of, but it's really the main reason why that you're gonna succeed is through generating leads. This is actually your main job when you come online, is to generate leads, which are pretty much people that are interested in what you offer, right? So once I select that template, I'm gonna click here where it says choose template, and once you choose that template, trust me, you're gonna be amazed how easy it is. So far, as you can see, I'm only doing clicks, right? And then what I do, since I already have my template, let's say you don't feel like designing things from scratch, right? Just get a template. So there you have it. So you see it loaded a landing page. So you can just pretty much change the wordings on this to whatever you want. Maybe you're into weight loss, you help people manage their weight, so you can just put there like 7 ways that you can lose your weight, or 5 steps to losing weight, and then when they enter them an email, you give them the solution of 5 steps, and then you offer them something to purchase, and or something to download. It could be even a book to download, or an ebook, or a book to be shipped, or whatever it is that you're offering, whatever your solution is. This this is what you want to do. You want to put them on there. So let's just leave this like this. Simply the best way to create a landing page. And then what you do, you actually want to connect this lead generation form. You want to click on that lead generation form, and you want to connect form to service. So the main service that I use for autoresponder is pretty much Aweber, right? So as you can see, I got Aweber on there. I can either connect it by clicking on that, with an API connection, which is basically just adding my Aweber login information, and then it's already connected automatically to a list. It's going to show me the list that I already created in Aweber. And then you can switch to the HTML integration, which is basically when you create a form in Aweber, and I'm going to go over this in a different video, but you create a form in Aweber, and then once you create that form, the web form in Aweber, then you want to copy the raw HTML code, which is a big old long code that is in the publish section of your web form in Aweber. You want to copy and paste it on this page right here, right? So once you go to that list in Aweber and you create a web form under that list, then the HTML code will be pasted on here, and then you hit continue, and then your form will be automatically connected, right? And then you can edit these right here, edit this button. Like I can click here where it says edit form elements. I can add, change this to something different. I can definitely, let me click on it again. So I can just change these names. I can add icons. It says icon none here. I can add for name, I can add user. So I can add I can type user here. Boom. Let me choose this one right here. Hit select. And then I want to add that to the left, side of the name. And then we can add the email in here. Okay, on the email. Let's say envelope. And I can use this envelope right here. Hit select. And then put it on the left. And then it adds a little extra little things, little details that makes your landing page more professional. You see, I just doing little clicks. That's pretty much it. Again, you can change these wordings to whatever it is that you're promoting. and you already have it connected to your Aweber. So when somebody sends, when somebody really enters a name and email on there, then they get added to your email list for you to follow up with them. They didn't have, after they enter the name and email, you direct them to a video or a presentation. If they don't have time to watch that presentation, or they would like to watch it later on, whatever the case is, then you can still follow up with them through email, and that way they know where they can get back to where they left off, right? A lot of people are not ready to really get involved in something right away. I understand that part. We're human beings, we get distracted and things like that, or we're just not ready. So it's always good to it's always good to follow up with people, right? And just have them, by having an autoresponder in place like Aweber. And basically, that's pretty much that's how you create, a squeeze page. And once you, I'm gonna go ahead and publish this. I'll probably delete it later, but let me save. Let me click done here. Okay, so I click done here. I'm going to preview it, and this is what it's going to look like, when somebody goes to it and I give them a link, right? And the great thing about this plugin is that the squeeze page that you're creating, or the capture page, landing page, whatever you call it, it goes with your domain name. So if you're Johnny, JohnnySuccess.com, then your squeeze page is going to be JohnnySuccess.com / whatever name you're giving it on the title. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. So if somebody's looking for a simple way, simply the best way to create landing pages, and they're searching for that, guess what? They might come, they might find this page here, and they'll enter them an email so they can see what's the best way. They can get a landing page demo and learn how to create, learning about what's the best way to create landing pages. To me, this is the best way because, again, you have everything under one page. And if you're somebody that, that can't afford to go to, use ClickFunnels, or you want to have everything in one space, then this is the best way to go, because you can create as many pages as you want, right? And look how simple it is. Just change the wordings, and that's about it. This is how you create a squeeze page using a WordPress blog. So then you publish it, and you go back here to the page, right? You go back here to the page. So I exit out of here and I go back to the page, and then I hit publish. I want to publish that page. So once you publish it, then it's live, and then it's ready to be shared with people. And with time, Google and other search engines will rank this page, and and then you start getting traffic automatically. And basically that's how simple it is to create a squeeze page. So truly hope that you got value from this. I hope that you learned a lot. So if you didn't have time to watch the whole thing, go ahead and come back to this video, watch it again, rewind it, and see for yourself how to create a squeeze page. It's really, really simple using your blog. And if you got value from these, let me know in the comments. And if you want to know what is my #1 recommendation, now that you know about landing page to generate income, if you want to know what's my #1 recommendation for earning a full income online, go ahead and click the link below this video, and again, enter the details on that page and access the video and see, because once you get access to that, you're going to get one-on-one coaching, right? Which is awesome, right? I wish I had one-on-one coaching when I started, but hey, it is what it is. Now you have the opportunity to get one-on-one coaching. Plus, I'm gonna help you set up your I'm gonna help you set up your autoresponder if you need help. I'll be there for assistance. So don't hesitate. Just go ahead and get the details. You're gonna get one-on-one coaching. You're gonna get a done for you squeeze page. So then ready to send traffic to it and ready to generate you income. And a whole bunch of trainings and tools that you're gonna need in order for you to succeed online. All right, so that's what I'm here for. I'm here to help you succeed. I'm here to help you change your life, just like this has changed mine. And hope you got so much value from this. And if you did, leave me your comments and share this video with somebody else that might benefit from it. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.